Hey, what is up, YouTube? Young Driller back in with another YouTube video. As you can see from the title, you already know what we're gonna react to. I've been trying to find some YouTube videos that are not copyrighted because I did another Doja Cat song, Juicy with Tyga, and YouTube keeps taking down my thing, bro. They blocked it, bro. How are you gonna do that to my channel, bro? They didn't put no strikes on me or nothing. They just blocked it. I disputed it. I think that's the word. Yeah, I disputed it to get it back. I told them that, hey, I'm not doing anything with the song. I'm just simply reacting to it, giving my feedback and everything. So we're gonna see how this one turns out. Hopefully they don't block it. Because they didn't block my recent one. They didn't block the other one. So I'm assuming they're not gonna block this one. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. You already know what to do. We're going on the road for 500 subscribers. So make sure you subscribe for real. And watch that YouTube intro. Alright, you watch the intro? You sure? Positive. Alright, bet. Let's get it.
I can't believe these disrespectful men out here. Just staring at y'all bodies, objectifying y'all. Listen, I'm Jamal, and I just want to let y'all know.
Bro, get out the way. You don't have no game, bro.
Another fake woke misogynist. Does he really think he's an ally to the feminist cause? Please, that kind of crass virtue signaling is nothing but a less overtly nefarious form of toxic masculinity.
Ladies, hey, I see what y'all doing. Cut it out, it ain't nice.
You don't want us, we freaks.
Oh, y'all should have said that earlier.
Pause. Hold on. Wait. I want a freak, so he needs to get out. He can't handle y'all. Oh my god. Oh my god. She said we freaks.
I give some freaks.
She trying to tear right now, you in her way. You know?
Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh.
Up the side.
But get out the way, bro. You have no game.
You know, a little tanning session. Yeah.
They just literally rejected your ass, boy.
That my best friend. She a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no nigga on the dance floor. She had 2, 3 drinks, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in. That's my best friend. She a real bad bitch, drive her own car. She don't need no lift in a strip club. No, my girl gon' tip. Now she twerking, she throw it out and come back in. Hey, bitch, is that my bestie in a taxi? Fresh blow out, skin on town, oh she pretty. Bitch, you look good with a T at the end. I'm a hyper every time, not my motherfucking friend. She
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Towns is the jellies and the bobos. Got me stepping out the Jeep, got my nut lows. When we pull up to the scene, they be filled with jealousy. If a bitch get finicky, she gon' bring the energy. I hit a phone with a sweet like, bitch, guess what? All the rich ass boys wanna fuck on us. Ice ass sitting up, you could look, talk, touch. You know bad.
Bro, I don't got my drink with me, bro.
That my best friend. She a real bad bitch, got her own
Bro.
money. She don't need no nigga on the
Oh my god. Bro, look at Doja, bro. I know y'all see. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. This is the best YouTube video ever, bro. Oh my.
dance floor. She had 2, 3 drinks, now she twerking. She throw it out and come back in. That's my best friend. She a real bad bitch, drive her own car. She don't need no lift in a strip club. No, my girl gon' tip. Now she twerking, she throw it out and come back in. That's my best friend.
She grabbed it.
Freak. I ain't dumb but motherfucker, she my Tweedledee. If she ride for me, she don't need a key. If you sideways, she straighten you if need a be. And she so bad that I just can't take that bitch nowhere. She off her fish, I said, mm-mm.
Oh my. She's shaking that ass on the car, bro, while driving. That takes skill, bro.
Don't go there, bitch, break her back. She protect and attack, get that strap, let them buckle, foot on neck, give no air. Whole world wanna be us. Then my main bitch, she my day one. On my way, bitch, let you get drunk, celebrate, cause be the baddest in the club. That's my best friend. She a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no nigga on the dance floor.
Look at Dope.
2, 3 drinks, now she twerking, she throw it out and come back in. That's my best friend. She a real bad bitch, drive her own car. She don't need no lift in a strip club. No, my girl gon' tip. Now she
I will tip everything, bro.
Best friend, you the baddest thing.
That thing shook. That thing. Whoa.
You know it. our booty growing. Fuck it up in the mirror, hit the poses.
She's a freak. She's a freak, bro. She licking on that car like she could lick some. Pause.
Motherfucking glow.
Do not be scared, okay? It's just that's your first time. Okay, it's mine too.
What are they doing? Where's my invitation? Where is my invitation at? I would have been pulled up. I would have been pulled up if y'all doing that. As you can see, that was really good. That thing shook, bro. That thing wobbled. It was like wobbly, 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 bro. Oh my God, bro. So disappointed, bro. I'm disappointed they didn't invite me to jump off the cliff. They said it was their first time. It would have been my first time too, you know what I mean? But it's cool. That was an awesome video. That was a lit video. Oh my God, bro. Doja Cat runs my whole YouTube channel. I'm letting y'all know that right now. She's running my whole shit right now. Nobody's competing with her at all. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment what other YouTube videos you want me to do. I tried making these. I put in a lot of work into this, and I try making y'all laugh. I try making myself laugh. I laugh when I rewatch these videos. I laugh hella. But yeah, these I'm gonna keep grinding for y'all. I'm gonna keep y'all just keep supporting me, and I'll do my thing for y'all. And yeah, 500 subscribers is all I want right now. So it's my goal right now. So if y'all don't want to, it's cool. I'm not no pressure. Just like if y'all really fuck with my stuff, subscribe. Show much support for me. But yeah, share this to your friends, family, everybody you know that likes watching funny reaction videos. I'm that guy for y'all. So just subscribe.